Hello dear subscribers, today I will show you how you can easily make unfollow on Instagram on iPhone. So for doing this you just need to go to App Store and just find in App Store Mass Unfollow for Instagram. Here you can see this app. So here you will see button get, so just click on it and it will successfully download and install this application on your mobile phone. So after just click on open and here you will see your following, whom you're following, and you just can select many of users and just go to the actions and here you will see unfollow. So just click to unfollow and it will successfully unfollow this all users from you. So it's really very simple and for me very comfortable. So this is how it works. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like and goodbye.